Hi, my name is Nathan Gipple. I am the director of the Farm and Food Lab. A very vital part of that is urban composting, and because of that, we're really excited to have John Craig out here in our operation.
Hi everyone, my name is John Craig. I am the master composter for this facility. WeCompost is the grassroots nonprofit. Air, blue, water, brown is your carbons, and greens are your nitrogens. So with those four elements, you have good compost. At Hart's Worm Farm, we bring in all the food scraps from the farmer's market. Residents can drop off their organic food waste, and we compost it, then we feed it to our worms so we can grow these fantastic, beautiful plants. Worms are extremely vital. They're probably smarter than me, and they create an excellent soil amendment, the absolute best soil amendment on the planet. I am inspired every day because number one, it's the volunteers and the people that come in. They motivate me to keep doing what I'm doing to do a better job. You know, it's just playing in the dirt. Playing in the dirt and in the soil and the compost, it creates serotonin and it makes you happy. That is one good reason to compost, because it makes you happy. Simple as that.